All right. Well, this was a new one for me. I had never heard this one before, although I'm familiar with the Supremes and Motown, of course. Very common sort of setup for this time period. It's very much repetitive. When they realize that they want to increase the length to be able to be long enough to be a radio single, they just raise the key. There's no real development in the song. There's no real change in the song. It's like somebody came up with a cool chord progression and was like, oh, we can sing this melody over the top. And then they're like, we got a song. So, yeah, I mean, it's really a throwback. It sounds really nice. It's a really pleasant song to play. Diana Ross sounds amazing on it. So that's Baby Love 499. We're going to go to 498 now.